I'll be taking you through the process of bookkeeping up till trial balance. This video is going to be helpful to you if you're currently studying accounting, or you're a business owner, a small business owner trying to navigate the world of record keeping and being compliant with HMRC. I've broken this video down into 8 steps, which is very easy to understand. So let's get into it. If the bookkeeping process are not done correctly, the rest of the financial statements will not be accurate, and it's important that your statement shows the true and fair view of your business performances. So this is where it starts. This is the foundation, and it's important that you get it right. The first step is to collect and organize your source documents. These can be your sales invoices. The next step will be to analyze those transactions. This is where expertise comes in. You have to analyze each transaction to determine whether they are sales, purchases, expenses, and whether they have to be credited or debited. The next step is for you to record transaction in a journal. Journal cannot be overemphasized. This helps you to keep track of where each item should be recorded, because it helps you to be well organized. Okay, a journal is a book where you record an item that's occurred in the business. Okay, there it has dates, it has side for debit and credit, it has an amount and narrations. This gives you a clear view of where each item goes. In case in the future if you made a mistake or mispost something, you can easily come back to this journal to rectify and know exactly where each item were debited. Completed your journal entries. The next step is for you to post your entries into the ledger book. Each item of account has its own book. For instance, the office supply has its own book called office supply account. So, and that is your ledger. So once you've identified what the item is and you've journalized it, the next step is for you to make those entries into ledger account. For instance, office supply will have its own book called office supply account, and that is the ledger. Ledger is simply a book where you record each transaction. Okay, different accounts opened within the chart of account has its own book, and collectively they are called general ledger. So office supply is a ledger account, bank account is a ledger account, and all of them coming together are found within general ledger. So within your ledger account, you have to debit, for instance, the office supply and credit the bank to show that money is going out.